Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Lee and I come from Bukit Mertajam, Penang. Right now I'm staying in Johor, in Kluang, Johor. Now if you look behind me, you can see my WhatsApp number 019 7878 Now this WhatsApp number is for you to order or to put order for your book if you are interested to buy my book, which is actually being printed. So actually this book is already sent out to many of our subscribers who ordered from West Malaysia here, from Sabah and Sarawak, from Singapore and also New Zealand. And right now the first order for this book, the inside page, which is this page, this book has already been we have finished selling, sold out, but now we are taking the second order. So if you want to buy this book, please WhatsApp me now and let me know so that we can arrange for the second order, so printing the second time. And this book is 100% based on grammar, which is level 1, and it is complete with every lesson that is necessary to know in grammar. So this book is complete. There are altogether 1,384 questions and 165 pages. So it is a topical book, meaning to say it's not a mix of all kinds of grammar, but by topic. And once you have finished one topic, you can go to the next one. And for every topic, I give the notes, the full explanation. I give examples. And most importantly, there are questions and you can check the answers from behind. And then on the 1st of July 2020, that will be the first lesson of this book. So starting 1st of July, I will be doing this book in my YouTube channel. So if you have finished the exercise at home, then you can come up to my YouTube channel and learn, because I will be teaching every chapter in this book. And I will explain to you why the answer is this and why the answer is that, so that you can understand, and it is a motivation for you to finish the book. Because sometimes self-study books, there is a tendency for us, sometimes we buy the book when we feel very, very excited. We buy the book, we buy this, we buy that. But then halfway through, we find that there's no motivation to go on. Therefore, I will, together with you, complete this whole book from the first page to the last page. Okay? So that after that, you can do grammar bank. So that means all the questions like a bank, all questions in one book. But that, of course, will be all mixed up. So this is the basic, the foundation for you to go further. Okay? So while waiting for the 1st of July, we are now into this part where we are going, we are doing all kinds of exercises which I have picked out. And we are still at prepositions, lesson 191. And this lesson, we will focus on all these prepositions. Four is a preposition: behind, along, over, of. So today I will deal with 5 prepositions. Before that we did 5, I believe, and 3. Because prepositions is a wide topic. There are so many prepositions. Prepositions are important because they tell us the location or the time of something which happened. So William buys a pen for his brother. Remember buy 4, buys 4, sells 2. If I sell, I sell to you. But if I buy from you. Okay? I will wait for you here. When you use wait, you use for. Wait for. We were there for 2 hours. For 2 hours shows you the time frame, the period of time, 2 hours. This present is for Rita. It means I buy the present and I give it to her. So it's for her. I can do it for you. That means I can help you. This flower pot is for my mother to plant flowers, to give it to her, it means. Alright? The stranger is standing behind the tree. The second one, behind. Okay? The little boy is hiding behind the door. That means he's standing and the door is in front of him. There is a river behind my uncle's house, at the back of his house. Our car is parked behind a lorry. That means the lorry is in front and our car is behind. Marisa sits behind Vincent in class. You know that in class you sit one. So the one in front and the one behind. The children run along the beach. Normally along is like a long thing, you know. And then you just follow the line of the thing. The beach, river, road, a park. So the children run along the beach. I drive along the road, one long road, and just drive, follow the direction carefully. They walk slowly along the path. There are many benches along the river. Okay, this is the river along the benches. The villagers walk over the bridge, from here to there, over the bridge. A bird is flying over the tree. This is the tree, this is the bird fly. Okay? The dog jump over the fence. This is the fence, jump over. Mr. Tong's house is over there, right? This is the cover of the book. You cannot say this is the book's cover. You say this is the cover of the book. That means it belongs to the book. This is a picture of my family. That means the picture, a story about my family. Okay? A few of us are going to Ipoh. A few of us, some of us, many of us. This table is made of wood. Usually when you use oak, it's the original, like plastic, you know, the raw material. I gave my sister a box of chocolates, a bouquet of flowers, a group of girls. Okay, when you're talking about collective nouns, you use of. Okay, so I have just read to you 24 sentences or statements using prepositions, and I created all this for you so that you can understand better. Okay, it's not just explaining. Sometimes we need to give examples so that the student can actually imagine and understand better. Okay, so that's all for today, for lesson 191. Please give a like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to WhatsApp me if you want to buy my book. Alright, this is the inside of the book, and just let us know, just give me a WhatsApp. Alright, and remember, the 1st of July, we will be doing this book. So all these exercises, I don't have to write out anymore because we have a book to refer to. So until we meet again, thank you for watching.